Welcome to the Pipeline Management Module tutorial. This module enables to manage and control potential business sales opportunities similar to the traditional CRM systems. This tutorial is presented using an administrator's access who is allowed to view all open opportunities available under their organization. And every sales representative will have access to view only their opportunities. The Pipe Management module knows how to link the opportunities to the expected profit, according to the vendor's partnership programs. Therefore, it helps us to make intelligent decisions. If I win this deal, how much profit will I earn? This module is also linked to the Vendor View module, which we reviewed in previous videos. Every opportunity that is opened in Pipe Management and belongs to a particular vendor will also appear under the Pipe button on the Vendor View screen. It will enable your organization to be more accurate, sharp, and much more driven by profitability. When you enter this module for the first time each day, you'll receive a daily status report in a pop-up box. This report presents an update for the opened, closed, and updated opportunities from the last 24 hours. When a sales manager or director first enters the main screen, he will be able to view all its subordinates opportunities in a single-page view. On the bottom of the screen, he will be able to check his total revenue open deals, their total profit, and to filter using the checkboxes on top the needed categories. For example, he can choose one of these sales reps and analyze his opportunities. Or by going to the probability checkbox, you can filter the 90% probability in order to focus the sales team on closing these deals. Now, let's move to Sales Rep's Perspective View and its capabilities. Take a look at the different screen structures and functionalities. Let's start with the upper gray bar. Now, this bar allows us to switch between 4 different screens: opportunities, customers, contacts, and categories. The first screen is Opportunity. Now, this is the main screen for the Opportunity Management System. I will return to it in detail later on. The next screen is the Customers. This screen contains the company details for all your customers, including name, address, phone number, email, and link to their website. You can edit or delete information by using plus for edit or minus for delete. When opening a new customer in the system, you can enter the details by clicking New Customer on the top bar. Let's see how it looks. After clicking on the New Customer button, you'll reach the next step, Add Customer. Please note that the mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. You can also search for a customer by using the top search window. The next screen is the Contacts. This screen contains all relevant contacts under each customer. You can use the search box for a specific customer. You can edit and delete contacts and open a new contact in the same way as in the customer screen. The next screen is the Categories. This screen is available only to the administrator. Here, the admin can add new categories for opening new opportunities. There are new categories, including segments, that can be opened under specific vendors that do not currently have these rebate programs open in the Vendor View module. Opening a new vendor or category requires the System Admin Manager's approval in your organization. Now, let's go back to the Opportunities main screen and explain how the information is displayed. Let's start from the top bar, which includes several blue icons. Daily Status Display shows the activity of the current working day starting at 12 a.m. Please pay attention to the difference between this view and the initial view that we have outlined earlier. The two tables have the same structure and the same options. The previous table displayed a 24-hour back status, while this one shows the status of the current working day. Share Opportunity. On this screen, we receive a list of the shared opportunities, those that I've shared and those that have been shared with me. And when I click on the small icon in the table itself, I will get the user's breakdown. Next icon is the Excel. You have the options to export an Excel report of all the opportunities. Printer. A printer version of the report that includes information about opportunities, segments, categories, product details, etc. The last icon, refresh the information in real time. The next button on the bar is the Quick Opportunity. This button is designed to quickly open an opportunity in the system on the go and serves as a reminder to the sales team to complete the information later when they reach the office. The next button is the New Opportunity. After clicking the button, we are directed to the Add Opportunity screen. All required fields are marked with an asterisk. Note that this screen is divided into 3 parts: customer information, products, and a deal summary. Thank you for watching part 1 of the tutorial for the Pipe Management module. In the next tutorial, we will continue to go through the table structure in which the different opportunities are presented.